Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this maths problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the innermost parentheses. According to this expression, we have a small brackets here. So first we solve 63 divided by 7 and we'll get 9. And the second small parenthesis bracket is 16 minus 7 will get 9. According to this step, BODMAS requires solving the innermost brackets first. And now the current expression becomes square bracket, curly bracket 9 plus 9 curly bracket of multiply 3 power square bracket of minus 20% of 90. Move to the next step. According to the next step, solve the curly braces. Now in the curly braces there is a addition. Now calculate addition part. 9 plus 9 equals to 18. According to this step, move outward to the next set of brackets, which is curly bracket, and now the current expression becomes square bracket 18 multiply by 3 square bracket of minus 20% of 90. Move to the next step. According to the next step, solve the exponents order inside these square brackets. Now first we calculate 3 power square, which is 9. According to this step, orders and powers takes the priority over the multiplication, and now the current expression becomes 18 multiply by 9 minus 20% of 90. Move to the next step. Complete the square brackets. Now in the square brackets multiplication, calculate 18 multiplied by 9 will get 162. According to this step, clear the final bracket layer completely, and now the current expression become 162 minus 20% of 90. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the off percentage operation. Now 20 upon 100 multiplied by 90. Cutting down the values and zeros will get 18. According to this step, off basically takes precedence over the subtraction. And now the current expression become 162 minus 18. The last step perform final subtraction, which is the last remaining operation. Now 162 minus 18 will get 144, which is the final result. So now according to this expression, by systematically following the order of operation, we simplified the complex brackets down to a single final value of this expression is 144. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.